Unit 5 Information Processing. Okay, actually, one of the interesting subject in maths is information processing. Now, we are going to learn a new topic that is called principles of counting. Okay, you know what is counting, right? Counting the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here we have some principles for that counting. So, it will make easy to do the calculation. Okay, so first one is addition principle. Addition principle. Actually, here the paragraph is given. You can read it. Okay. But the most important thing is, if you are adding the numbers, the basic principle is m plus n ways. M plus n ways. Look at this paragraph. If there are two operations such that they can be done independently in m ways and n ways respectively. So two ways given, one is m ways and another one is n ways. So the operation of addition is nothing but m plus n ways. M plus n ways. So addition principle is m plus n ways. This is for counting the numbers. In counting numbers, addition principle is m plus n ways. Let's see the multiplication principle. You know that very well, right? So, multiplication is very easy, m into n. Addition principle is m plus n ways. Multiplication principle is m into n ways. Okay, I will explain by the example, then you will feel easy. Okay, let's see the example. First example, in class 8 there are 11 boys, okay, 11 boys and 9 girls, 11 boys and 9 girls. The teacher wants to select either a boy or a girl as the class leader. So the teacher wants to choose a class leader among these two categories, boys and girls. Let us see in how many ways can the teacher select the class leader. So number of ways here we are doing. So this is what the keyword. If you want to find out the number of ways, we should think about the addition principle and multiplication principle. Here boys and girls given. So let's use addition principle. What is addition principle? M plus n ways. Let's take the boys as m and girls as n. So m is equal to 11, n is equal to 9. What is the addition principle? Addition principle is m plus n. So 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. So how many ways the teacher will get? 20 different ways she have to select the class leader as a boy or a girl. First one, see, the first choice is the teacher wants to select a class leader among boys. How many boys? 11 boys. So totally she will have 11 ways. Similarly, how many girls are there? 9 girls are there. So she will have 9 ways. So 11 ways plus 9 ways is equal to 20 different ways. So totally the teacher will get 20 different ways to select a class leader. Is that clear? So the number of way is the keyword. If you have that word, you can use this formula. Okay, let's see the multiplication example. Here, there are 3 places in a city, namely A, B and C. There are 3 routes. Okay, so A, B, C, totally 3 places are there as well as 3 routes are there. This is what the difference between the addition and multiplication. In addition, they will give only one information, but here they given 2 information. One is the places, 3 places and 3 routes. Okay, the routes called as A1, A2 and A3. Okay, from A to B. There are 2 different routes. There are 2 different routes. B1 and B2 from B to C shown in the diagram. Before that, let's see the principle. The principle is m into n ways. Okay, if an operation can be performed in m ways, following which another operation can be done in n ways. Actually, here 2 number of ways given. One is performing in one way and also in another way. So we have some difference in addition and multiplication. Addition is nothing but, let's see this one. See, if there are 2 operations independently, there is no connection between this m and n. Okay, so if you have like this, you have to do the addition principle. There is no connection in the m ways and n ways. But see here, so either in one way or in another way. See, another operation can be performed. This is like an either or choice. One, either in that way or this way. So both operations are dependent. So if it is independent, you have to use, if there is no relation, you have to use addition. If you have some relation, if you have any dependent in that operation, you have to do the multiplication. Okay, so here actually three cities are there. We have three routes are there. The three routes name is A1, A2 and A3. From A to B there are two different routes. Routes. Okay, then B to C is two different routes, that is B1 and B2. Okay, so everything is clearly given in the picture. So how will you find out how many number of ways are possible to go to the three places? Okay, so it is very easy. In the first operation, he can go from A to B in three routes. Look at this figure, A1, A2, A3. So totally how many routes are there from A to B? Three routes are there. Actually, up to this is question. Okay, this is what answer. Up to this diagram is the question. Okay, so A, B, C are the three cities. What is given? A1, A2, A3 from A to B. A is here, B is here. So from A to B, three routes are there. That is A1, A2, A3. After that, from B to C, B1 and B2. B1 and B2. Two routes are there. Okay. So after this, from A to B we have three routes, then B to C we have two routes. So it is a multiplication because both are dependent, both are connected with this B. A and C are connected with this B. A and C are connected with this B. So it is a dependent one. So if it is a dependent one, you have to use the multiplication way, multiplication formula. Yes, so the formula is m into n. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6 routes. Okay, so if it is independent, you have to use addition formula. If it is dependent, you have to use the multiplication formula. According to your sum, you can choose the formula.